while I'm in Serbia and, of course, seeing what is in the forefront of the attention of the people in Serbia, but also Serbs at large in the region and outside the region, I think it is very important to share my thoughts on the draft UN resolution on the Srebrenica genocide. I want to absolutely disagree with those who would attribute the guilt of crime of genocide to a whole nation. Collective punishment has never been part of our values and can never be part of our values. I don't think that stigmatizing the Serbian nation with collective guilt is a viable choice. I don't think that this contributes to get over the horrors of the Balkan Wars. On the contrary, we know who have committed the crimes against humanity. These people must be held fully accountable for their deeds. We know this because there are judgments that need to be enforced, and we already have seen what the notion of collective guilt leads to. So I think when we talk about Srebrenica, we should remember the victims, we should remember what has happened, but we should not spread collective guilt on one nation.